Hello everyone, in this video we want to introduce the new tool we've developed for Kydemy, a student evaluation system. We'll explain it in two separate videos, one from the administrator's perspective, so you can see how to configure and activate evaluations within the platform, and another from the teacher's and student's perspective, so you can see how a teacher fills out an evaluation and how the student views it. Let's start with the administrator side. Once evaluations are activated, this is done from the configurations menu. A new button will appear on the left side called Evaluations. Here you'll find 4 simple steps to follow in order, which will guide you through the setup. The first step is the courses configuration, where we have to create the academic year. In our case, we've already set up one for next year from September 2025 until June 2026, and we have another for the final of 2025 that only has one evaluation. Creating an academic year is as simple as clicking in New Academic Year. Here we have to give it a name and setting the start and end date. Now we choose the number of assessments we want and just click Create Academic Year. Let's look at this example. Here we have 3 assessments. The first one, that's the 15th of September until the 15th of December 2025. The second one goes from the 16th of December 2025 until the 17th of March 2026. And the third assessment goes from the 18th of March 2026 until the 15th of June 2026. Of course, these dates can be edited manually if they don't suit your needs. The platform simply tries to divide the year into equal periods. Once that's done, click on Save. The second step is the evaluation criteria. We've already created quite a few, but you can always add your own. In this case, it's a dance school, so we have criteria like attitude, change partner, flexibility, rhythm, and more. Creating a new criterion is easy. You just have to click on New Grading Criterion, give it a name, and describe what is being evaluated or what the criterion means within the subject. This helps students better understand what they are being assessed on. After writing the description, click on Select a Grading Template. This means choosing how the scores will be given. You can choose from several templates. If none work for you, you can customize them. For example, we'll click a 3 scores grading level. On the right side, we see automatic numeric scores, which you usually don't need to change, but you can if you want. On the left, we see the labels, for example, low, medium, high. These can also be changed. You can delete them or add mod levers here. If you plan to reuse the grading setup, you can save it as a grading template. Once you finish configuring that, just click on Save Criterion. The third step is the criteria templates. Evaluation templates are documents that group several criteria and are assigned to specific classes. For example, we have a template for urban dances, one for Latinos and salsa dance. Here, for example, we chose criteria like rhythm, expressiveness, change partner, and coordination. You can easily move criteria in or out of the templates just using the arrows. Let's say we want to add the attitude criteria. We click the arrow and it's already added. If we want to delete it, we just click the arrow again and it goes. Once you're done, just click on Save. The step 4 is the classes. In this final setup, you'll see a list of all your classes. You can assign a specific evaluation template to each one or none at all. You might choose to evaluate only some classes. For example, for the Latin dance classes, we can use the Latin and salsa templates. Let's go. We have here adult salsa class. We can choose the Latinos and salsa template. For bachata, we can also choose that template. If we have children's classes, for example, we can use a children's template, and so on. It's intuitive and easy to apply across all your classes. The last step, which I won't show you just yet, will display the evaluations once they've been completed. From the administrator side, that's it. As you can see, it's straightforward. Just follow the steps in order. In the next video, we'll show you how a teacher carries out the evaluations in their classes. Thank you very much.